how to reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on your Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Messenger app. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the bottom right, that is the menu option. It can sometimes be on the top left as well. After you tap on it, head over to settings. And on the settings, you'll find privacy and safety option. Tap on that. And you should be on your privacy and safety settings. And there you'll find under security end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on that. After you do that, you will see the message storage option. Tap on that and there you'll see how you sync your chat history section. Now, you'll simply have to tap on reset pin and now you can create your pin. So let me just create this first. And there we go. So this is my pin. I've just set this up. So if I tap on reset, yeah, that's basically how you do it. The more, when you change it, your previous messages might be on risk of getting deleted. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.